I do not look presentable though. Like, hello my little Martians. I missed you so much. If you are new to my channel, my name is Sharlene Mars. But this message right here goes to all of my loyal subscribers. I just want to say that I am terribly sorry for going MIA on you guys. I know that I haven't posted new content. I was going through a lot of changes in my personal life, especially since I did start my Accutane journey. So my body was getting used to the medication and yeah, etc. So I just want to say that I am so sorry. I know I haven't been posting any content on Instagram or in any of my social media platforms. I just went completely MIA. But I am back. I'm better than ever. And trust me, I'm going to be posting so much new content. And I'm so sorry if I let you guys down, but it's not going to happen again. Knock on wood. So if you are excited to watch this new video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And let's get to the video. I love you. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes using MERCIER's Eye Basics Eye Primer in the shade Flax. With my Morphe R39, I'll be picking up the shade Tickle and applying it above my crease. I'm going to start off by tapping the shade right above my crease, and then I'll be blending the edges using the same brush. Using my Morphe G18, I'm now going to apply the shade Spanked on my crease. So once again, I'll just be tapping the shade right on my crease, and then I'll be blending it afterwards. Using my Morphe E19, I'm going to pick up the shade Love Bite and trace my crease. So now I'm grabbing my Morphe M506 and I'm just gonna blend the edges out a little. Now using my Morphe R42, I'm going to pick up the shade Fantasy and apply it on my eyelid. Oh, this shade is so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love all things that sparkle. I'm now going to grab another Morphe G18 and apply the shade Love Bite on my outer eyelid. I want my outer crease and eyelid to be really deep, so I'm just tapping the color right on it, and I'm not going to blend too much. Using my Morphe M41, I'm going to apply the shade Play right on my brow bone. This is just going to blend everything together and make it look perfect. For lashes, I'll be using Sephora's Lash Story lashes in the style LASHAWAY. So I'm practically done with my eyes, so I'm going to start working on my face. So I'll be priming my eyes using Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. Wait, what? Priming my eyes? No. I'll be priming my face. Correction, face. So I'm gonna apply a little pump and apply that right on my face. FYI guys, this primer is really sticky. It reminds me of aloe vera gel. You know, like when you get really sunburned and you apply that on your body? Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. But I like it. It's really sticky. It makes your foundation stick and not budge. And what I also like about it for some reason, I have like these tiny skinny wrinkles on my smile line, which eventually I want to get fillers for. But yeah, it makes the foundation not budge there. Usually, like when I apply other primers, the foundation starts to crease and I don't like it. But this helps. So this is good stuff. Now that I have primer on my face, I'm going to start working on the top of my face. I usually like working with the top because then I'll do my eyebrows. If I do apply foundation all over my face, then I tend to mess up the bottom half when I do my eyebrows, and I don't kind of like that. So yeah, I like to start with the top and then I work my way down. So for foundation, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in this shade 220, which is my shade. I'll be using a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm just applying that in tapping motion on my forehead. To contour and highlight, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer in the shade Almond to highlight and Warm Sand to contour. So I pretty much like the shape of my brows. However, I do have really sparse brows and they're kind of thin. So I'm just gonna make them a little thicker by following the shape of my natural eyebrow. So now I'm going to grab the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the shade, I think this is 3. Yeah, it's the darkest one. Oh no, I'm wrong. Number 5. And my handy dandy, this is the Kat Von D little brushy brush. And I start off with the dark powder and just tap it on my brows. And then I sweep the lighter shade on the top, right here. Yay! So I'm done with my eyebrows. And now I'm going to finish the rest of my face. So I'll be applying, I would say about 2 pumps of foundation. And do you hear that bird? That bird has been driving me insane. So since I highlight under my eyes, I try to avoid putting foundation in that area since I'm already going to put concealer over it. So if I do foundation then concealer, it makes it look cakey. But don't get me wrong, I love me a cakey face. But not today. So now I'll be contouring using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'll just be applying them. Like, hello. Obviously, it's not blended yet. But hello. Okay, cool. Now time to highlight. I don't understand why whenever we're doing like applying anything under our eyes, whether it's like mascara or highlight, we always make these weird faces. Like, why? I just don't get it. I'm gonna have to Google that. So to bake, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Banana Pro Filter powder, setting powder. Yeah. Gotta tap it. So I'm brushing all of the excess powder, and now I'm going to finish up my eyes. Using my Morphe M408 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Love Bite, and I'll be applying that right under my lower lash line. I'll now be picking up my Morphe G27 brush and applying a little bit of MAC's Fix Plus spray. That was like not a little bit, but you got the point. And picking up the shade Fantasy and just applying that right on my tear duct and bringing it outward. Now I'm going to pick up the SCUBA mascara by the BALM, like the bomb. I'm gonna say the bomb because this eye like mascara is pretty much the bomb for my non-existent lower lashes. Oh wait, hello Miss Sharlene, you totally forgot a step. I'm picking up my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Strawberry Milk and applying that in my lower waterline. Now I can apply mascara. Okay? Yes. I literally have like no lower lashes. Now it's time to bronze this face. Bronze this base. And I'll be using the MAC. I think it's the 130, honestly. I've used this brush for so many years and the number is kind of coming off. So to bronze, I'll be using the HOOLA by Benefit bronzer. OMG, it is time for my favorite parts, and that is a highlight. To highlight, I'll be using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Yes, and I'm going to be applying the shade Capri, and then I'll be applying this pretty pink shade called Ibiza, a place where I will go one day. Just not now. To apply this, I'll be using my Morphe Y11, and I'll be dapping that in like, hello, you bright star. I see you, girl. Look at this. Like, hello, baby girl. Hello. Woohoo. Ooh, we all know how much I love to glow. Alright, now let's get a little bit of that pink, put it over there too. Ooh, yes baby, yes. I feel like I need some blush. So I'm going to use my Morphe 4Y and my Milani Tea Rose blush. Super cute, super cute. Hello, baby girl. Hello. I'm starting to feel myself. So for my lips, I'll be using the NYX lip liner in the shade Ever. ever. I'm just lining my lips. This is like so not the shade I wanted, but it's okay, it will do. So for lipstick, I'll be using the MAC Hug Me, Lustre Hug Me lipstick. Yeah, it's like doesn't even match. It's like I was like looking for lip liner with my eyes closed. And voila, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh wait, no I'm not. Hello. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So, ooh. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am a little rusty because like it's been a while since I've, you know, recorded a video. But please don't give up on me. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I love you. Mwah!